What's up, everybody? It's your boy LGTV. Nobody. And now it's time for my friend to pretend like she's the Uber driver. Kicking it with you. Comment down below if you watched that old show. I would love to send it back. Okay. So, I'm going to be recording. Ow, my foot. Okay, wait. So, this is me. I am going to be recording. So, yeah. Hi. So, this is your Uber, and what's your name? I am Tommy Oliver. Okay, you may go in the front and sit. Okay. Okay, so where would you like to go? I would like to go to New Jersey, please. New Jersey, okay. Seatbelt. Right. Oh, right, and mask. Forgot. No, don't use it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I heard there was Corona coming. I don't know why. Yeah. New Jersey, right? Yes. Okay, New Jersey. We are in Los Angeles. I thought you wanted to go to Los Angeles, so we had to make a 5-hour drive to New Jersey. Okay. I can make it fast. Don't worry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay. I have cousins in Los Angeles anyway. But we're returning to New Jersey. Okay, fine. We'll go to Los Angeles, and then we'll go to... First, let's go to Jersey, because... 20 minutes later. Is there any cars? Okay. That don't make sense. That I don't get to say there's a lot of cars, and she get to say there's a lot of cars. Does not even... You said that. Yeah, I did. Okay. I did? Well, bite your tongue out. Okay, we're here. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Well, guys, that is it for the video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below for more videos. And if I get 100 subscribers, I'll promise you guys I'll make a long video of anything you guys want. Of singing videos, of doing cool flips in a trampoline video, playing basketball, or anything you guys want, or of me riding my new car, baby. Check this thing out. I just got it, and it's pretty much new. One of my dad's friends' brother gave it to him for me. And that's it for this video. Like the family of just like Fun Original would say, have a fun day, afternoon, and night. I better get 100 subscribers to make a long video.